Good morning, my dear kids. Welcome back to your maths class. Children, as you can see, this is the cover page of your NCERT maths book. That means today we are going to learn one chapter from NCERT, and the chapter is chapter 3, How much can you carry? So let us see the first page of your chapter, that is page number 18 in your maths book. So let us read the story. One story has been given. So the topic is the clever donkey and his heavy sack. Sandesh has a donkey. It carries sacks full of salt on its back. On the way to the market, they have to cross a river. One day, while crossing the river, the donkey slipped and fell into the river. When it got up, the sacks felt very light. Guess why the sacks felt lighter? Okay, let me help you. The salt all dissolve in water. That's why after coming out of the river, the sack felt lighter. Now the next, the donkey was very happy. This also gave it an idea. Next day, while crossing the river, the clever donkey decided to take a dip. This time, Sandesh understood the donkey's trick. Next day, Sandesh put sacks of woolen cloth in place of salt. Now, what would happen to the donkey when it dipped into the river, and why? Yes, if we dip any woolen cloth in water, it became heavier. Now it will be very difficult for the donkey to carry that woolen cloths. Now children, let us see what is given in the page number 19. Raju wants to ride a seesaw. Raju needs a friend to ride a seesaw. Rani comes to help Raju, but still Raju cannot ride it. Can you tell why? Circle the correct answer. Raju is heavier or lighter than Rani. Yes, as you can see in the picture, Raju's size is toward the downwards. So Raju is heavier than Rani. Aslam come to help them. Now look at the picture. Can you tell why the seesaw turned this way? Raju is heavier or lighter than Rani and Aslam together. Now Raju is lighter than Rani and Aslam together. Now how they will ride? Then Raju has an idea that let me keep my bag with me. Raju is saying, we are all enjoying the ride after that. Okay, now children, let us see the next page, page number 20. Heavier or lighter? So which of the two things will you make the seesaw go down? Look at the example. So one example is given. So from the previous story we have known that which side is toward the downward or toward the land, that side is the heavier one. So the bigger object we will keep in the downward side and the lighter object we will keep in the upper side. So children, this page, page number 20 will be your homework. Now the next one is you have to color the lighter one in the last one. So here which one is lighter? Tennis ball, football, school bag or geometry box. Think and then color it. Now children, let us see the next page, page number 21. Here one story is given. Let us read the story. Chicky and Mickey rabbits saw a bag. It had carrots in it. Chicky and Mickey started fighting. Now Chicky is saying, I will take bigger carrot. Then Mickey is saying, no, I am bigger, so I will take bigger carrot. Then Chotu Monkey came to help them. We want to share the carrots equally between us, but some carrots are big and some small. What to do? Chotu Monkey bought something to help them. Now children, can you guess what Chotu Monkey has bought to help them? to divide the things equally? Let me help you. I think it will be a weighing balance where Chotu Monkey will weigh the carrot and then he will distribute to both of them. Now let us see the last page. That is page number 22. Now already the first part we have done. So the second part is that find out your parents buy carrot for the family. How much do they buy at one time? And the second one, how does the vegetable seller weigh the carrots? Now the next part, how much can Simran carry? Now here children, as you can see that Simran father needs to move something from the store of their house to the kitchen. Then Simran wants to help her father. So what are the things you think that Simran can carry? Okay? Now note down your homework. That is page number 20 in your maths book. You will do it. So children, that's all for today's class.